and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can use Quora in order to extract content ideas for your blogs and videos. And it's a lot easier than it sounds. The first thing that you need to do is you need to go into the search Quora bar, the search bar here, and you need to search for a topic that's most relevant to you. So let's just say that we want to go for something like Facebook ads. And we'll go with that topic, Facebook ads, and we're going to look at questions and compare their stats, and the question with the most amount of views and followers will win. We'll use that topic in order to create a blog post or a video. So we have the first question right here: which retargeting solutions can be used with Facebook? And this doesn't seem like something that we can really answer. So if we scroll further down, we can see something like this. This is super relevant. What is the secret to building successful Facebook ads? So we're going to click on this. And if we click on this, we'll be able to see how many answers it has, and it has 80 answers, and it is a really popular topic, it means. And it has 53 followers. So we're going to click on view stats and log in order to see how many amount of views it has. Okay, it has 19,000, more than 19,000 views, and it has 52 public followers. So this is something that we can use. Anything below 10,000 views or 20 followers is something that you shouldn't go for. So we can use this topic in order to create a blog post or in order to create a video. And what we're going to do is we're going to search for this topic as well in Google, just to be sure whether it's been done before or not. So we're going to come back here and we're going to copy the question here, and we're going to paste and search for this. And there we have a bunch of guides here. We have few ads here, we have guides here and tips here. But it's not exactly the question that we're going for. And we have the link of the question here as well. So people have taken different angles in order to create a blog out of this question. So we can use this title in order to create a blog for ourselves, for our brand as well. And this is something useful. You can use this information. Now the next thing that we need to do is we're going to head back to that question, and we're going to see the answers. Now this is something that you can use in order to make sure that what you're going to be writing about is accurate. And you need to take inspiration from these answers, and especially if you don't know much about the said topic and you want to create a blog on it. So it's suggested that you scroll down and you skim through the top 3 answers and you understand their guidelines and create bullet points or create content out of it for yourself. And this is a very useful strategy. You can use this in order to create blog posts and also to create videos for yourself as well. And another thing that you need to know about extracting content ideas from Quora is that it'll help you with content marketing, because you need to have a lot of blogs, you need to create a lot of videos in order to market your brand properly as well. And Quora is a very, very useful resource for you to obtain content ideas from. So you'll be able to not only help people out, but also create content for your own company and business as well. So this is something useful, this is something informative and helpful as well. So go ahead and use your Quora to get content ideas for your own brand or business.